Hi guys, this is Sadik from admin.com, and in this video, we'll show you how to remove a file via ADB, how to remove a folder via ADB, how to make a new folder, how to copy files, and how to move files. All these tasks will be carried out using the ADB commands. So let's get started. First and foremost, you will have to get hold of Android SDK platform tools. This is required for ADB commands. So get it from my guide here and extract them onto your PC. You could extract them anywhere you want, and as you could see, these are the files of platform tool folder. Once that is done, you will now have to enable USB debugging on your phone as well. So for that, go to the settings menu on your phone. From there, go to about phone and tap on build number 7 times. On Xiaomi phones, you will have to tap on MIUI version 7 times. You will then get a prompt that you are now a developer. So go back, then go to system, and you should now see developer option. Go there and enable the toggle next to USB debugging. You will get a prompt on your phone. Tap on OK, and with this, debugging is enabled. Let's verify the same. So go to platform to folder address bar, type in CMD and hit enter. This will launch command prompt inside platform tools. Now type in ADB devices and make sure that you're getting a serial ID. If you're not getting any ID, then unplug and replug your phone from the PC. Disable and re-enable USB debugging. Tap on revoke USB debugging. Use the official cable that came with your phone and use the USB 2.0 port on your PC. So carry out this USB tweaks and make sure that you're getting an ID. Once you're getting this ID, your next course of action is to get started with the task. So first off, I'll show you the couple of files that I'll be using. So before moving ahead, it's recommended that you rename the file to something shorter. For instance, the files which I'll be using are these APK files. So as you could see, I've done the rename. Moreover, also make sure that there is no space in between the file name, or else it might cause a few issues. So simply you will have to do a rename if you find any file name spaces between the file name. And for the ease of usage, it's also advised to make the file name shorter. So with that in mind, once you have done so, let's now get started with the task. So first off, I'll show you how to remove a file by ADB command. For that, open the CMD window and type in ADB shell and hit enter. And once you're inside the shell environment, you could now use this command to get the job done. So this is the rmf remove file, and type in this command, and after that give a space, SD card, and the location and the file name. So in my case, let's say I want to remove this file which is named as local send. So it's inside the downloads folder. So SD card stands for internal storage, and now inside internal storage I have to go to the download folder. So this is the /download and the file name which is local send.apk, and hit enter. And it will now remove the file from my phone. As you could see, the file has been gone. The file is no longer there. Moving on, let me now show you how to remove a folder via ADB. So for that, let me make a new folder. Just a minute. Let's make a folder and rename it to, let's say, XYZ, and tap on OK. So we have got a new folder, and now I'll show you how to remove this folder. So for that, the command is rmrr, which is for the remove recursive. So use this command and the /, then SD card, and the name of and location of the folder. So in my case, it's inside the SD card only. So there is no further location, and the name is XYZ. So do so and hit enter, and do a refresh of the file manager app once. And as you could see, the folder has been removed. Once that is done, let's now move ahead. So now I'll show you how to make a new folder via ADB commands. So for that, you could use the make directory command. So use mkdir and then the location and the name of the folder. So mkdir SD card, let's make a new folder inside the downloads folder. So mkdir SD card /download, and now let's make a folder inside the download folder, and let's rename it to test folder and hit enter. And you should now get a test folder. As you could see, we have got a test folder inside the downloads folder. Now moving on, let me show you how to copy files via ADB command. So first of all, you will have to, for the sake of reference, I will copy the treble check app from the downloads folder over to the SD card or the internal storage. So I'll copy the file from the downloads folder over to the internal storage, which is the SD card. So for that, let's use the command. It's the cp copy space / SD card, the file location, and the file name is treble-check.apk. So use it treble-check.apk, and now you'll have to use the second location where you want to do the transfer. This is in my case SD card. So type in SD card, and the file will now be copied inside the internal storage. Okay, so just a minute. The location is in fact SD card and the downloads folder. As you could see, it's inside the downloads folder. So SD cards, download treble-check.apk, and this is the new location, which is the SD card. And now hit enter. And as you could see, the treble-check app is now inside the internal storage on our phone. It has been copied from the downloads folder and it's now inside the internal storage as well. Finally, let me show you how to move an app as well. So for moving an app, the entire command is same. Just replace cp with mv and the rest of the command will be same. So let me show you that as well. Again, let's transfer the file which is named as treble-check from downloads folder. We will now move the file to the internal storage or SD card. So the entire command is same as before. Just use the mv instead of cp. This will stand for move. Then the location of the file, the original location, which in my case is the SD card downloads folder, and the file name is treble-check, as you could see. And now the new location, which is the SD card, the internal storage. So use this command and let me show you. The file will be gone from here. So this is the downloads folder. As soon as I type in this command, the file will be gone from here. It is now placed inside the internal storage on my phone. So guys, these were the 4-5 methods through which you could copy or move file via ADB, make a new folder, remove a folder, and as well as remove a file and make a new file on your phone just by using an ADB commands. If you have any doubts with regard to any of the steps, do let me know in the comment section, and thanks a lot for watching.